him as we welcome him on the big stage. Sir, thank you so much for being here. It's so good to see you. And यहाँ साथ में खड़े होके ही मतलब काम हो जाता है. I'm sure Rasha और अमन के लिए, of course, working with him on that big screen वो अलग level होगा. Sir, 2024 was brilliant for you. शुरुआत हुई कहीं ना कहीं शैतान के साथ, उसके बाद सिंघम अगेन में हमने उसको एंड किया और अब यहाँ पे इस फिल्म के साथ इस साल की शुरुआत होने जा रही है. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से ऑन दैट? एंड आई बिलीव यू हैव दिस वेरी स्पेशल समथिंग फॉर दिस मूवी. प्लीज टॉक टू अस अबाउट इट सर.
हेलो एवरीबॉडी. स्पेशल मतलब ये फिल्म मेरे लिए काफ़ी मायनों में स्पेशल है. पहला तो ये कि इस फिल्म में दो नए बच्चे लॉन्च किए जा रहे हैं, बोथ वेरी टैलेंटेड. एक जो मेरी कलीग और मेरे दोस्त की बेटी है और एक अमन जो मेरे बेटे जैसा नहीं बट बेटा है. दोनों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, दोनों बहुत ही टैलेंटेड हैं. और अभिषेक हु इज़ नोन टू लॉन्च न्यू stars, I would say, not kids, and he's always been successful with that. And बहुत patience है इसमें नए लोगों को, you know, I won't say झेलने का, but उनको संवारने का. But they've done very well, all of them. और दूसरा रीज़न मैं कहूँगा कि जो मेरा प्यार है घोड़ों के लिए, जब हमने शुरू किया था तो बहुत घोड़ों की फिल्में आती थी और बहुत मज़ा आता था. सारा दिन हम घोड़े पे ही लगे रहते थे, घूमते रहते थे. बहुत टाइम के बाद फिर आई थिंक लास्ट वाज बहुत सालों के बाद थी तानाजी, बट अब फिर ये फिल्म. एंड अभिषेक हैज़ गॉट सम लवली हॉर्सेस एंड यहाँ से भी और वहाँ से जो क्रू है जो ट्रेन किया, जिस प्यार से घोड़ों को रखा. और हम लोग 40-45-50 डिग्री नियरली उसमें जयपुर में शूट कर रहे थे और जिस तरीके से हमारी हालत थी और फिर जो घोड़ों को जैसे संभाला जा रहा था, आई थिंक इट वाज लवली टू वॉच. बहुत मज़ा आया.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. अजय सर के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए यहाँ पे. अब उन्हें बुलाना चाह रहा हूँ. सर, यू टॉक्ड अबाउट द डायरेक्टर साहब एंड वी मेट इन जयपुर. और उनकी बातें सुनने के बाद पहली चीज मैंने की थी, मैंने कहा सर कितना पैशनेटली आप इसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. कह रहे मेरी फिल्म में नहीं करूंगा क्या यार, मैं इतनी मेहनत इसके पीछे गई है. ऑफ कोर्स अ वंडरफुल वंडरफुल स्टोरी टेलर इज व्हाट आई कॉल हिम. गिव इट अप फॉर अभिषेक कपूर साहब, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. न्यूकमर्स नहीं, यू एक्चुअली वर्क विद स्टार्स. कहीं ना कहीं यू ऑलरेडी सी दैट इन देम. फिर चाहे वो सारा अली खान की बात हो, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की बात हो, या राजकुमार राव को उनका वो जो बड़ा वाला ब्रेक मिला था काय पोचे से, हम कहेंगे. सो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, what did you see in these two lovely people? And दूसरी चीज सर, whenever it's an Abhishek Kapoor directorial, वहां पे म्यूजिक अमेजिंग होता है. फिर चाहे अगेन काय पोचे, केदारनाथ या चंडीगढ़ करे आशिकी. what do you have to say sir on that?
I am totally driven by the stories that I want to tell. और जब आप कहते हैं कि मैं न्यू कमर्स को लॉन्च करता हूँ, मैं एक्चुअली जो किरदार मेरे कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं फिल्म कहानी बोलने में, मैं उनमें जान डालने की कोशिश करता हूँ. और वो ऑलरेडी वो कैरेक्टर्स मेरे लिए स्टार्स होते हैं, क्योंकि मैं जब सोता हूँ तो उनके बारे में सोचता हूँ. तो जब आप राशा और अमन की बात करते हैं तो मुझे उनमें गोविंद और जानकी नज़र आते हैं. एंड आई एम ड्रिवन. दे आर, आई नो देम इन एंड आउट. और मेरे लिए वो बच्चे जैसे होते हैं. और ये मेरी पूरी कहानी, सारे कैरेक्टर्स मेरे बच्चों जैसे होते हैं. एंड आई हैव टू डू जस्टिस टू देम. आई हैव टू डू जस्टिस टू द स्टोरी. आई हैव टू डू जस्टिस टू एवरी कैरेक्टर इन दैट फिल्म. एंड आई डू द बेस्ट आई कैन. एंड इट्स माई, आई थिंक भोलेनाथ ऊपर से साथ देते हैं मेरा. और ऐसी फिल्म बनाने के लिए ये इतनी बड़ी फिल्म है. इट्स नॉट अ स्मॉल, जैसे इट्स नॉट अ प्रोजेक्ट कि आप किसी को लॉन्च करने के लिए आप फिल्म बनाए. दिस आर नॉट दोज फिल्म्स. दिस आर वेरी passionately driven films, and you need people like Ajay, because this man is, I've had such an experience working with him. When I sit with him and I talk to him, he's so grounded and he's so secure as an individual. He doesn't like, I've seen so many actors, sometimes they are so insecure about so many factors that play on their mind, but he has none of that. you know. And once I have him supporting me and saying, yeah, I'm with you on this film, and it's not like he is the only, it's not a Ajay Devgan film, you know, it's Azad, and he's part of Azad, and that's the great part about him. Ki, yeah, he can fit into a film like this, he can do a singer, he can do a film with Vishal Bhardwaj and become that, he can become anything. He's a chameleon, you know, and that's his mastery on his craft. But I would really like to add one thing, you know, which I don't get the chance to express, because you know, a film like this, to mount a film like this, like I said, it's not just a project or it's not a business opportunity. I cannot do it without the support of Mr. Ronnie Screwvala. Absolutely. You know, this man is such a fabulous individual. You know, when I meet him and I can see he's achieved so much in this field and in other arenas as well. But when you watch him work and the way he thinks, he's like an institution. You know, I learned so much from him about how I should operate. He's creative, and then his business acumen triggers at the way he checks himself, and at the same time, he doesn't compromise on the creative part of it, you know. So, I mean, it's not possible for films like this to be made without the blessings of this man. And, you know, every member of my crew, and it would not be fair if I didn't talk about my producer, my wife. You know, I mean, she's my wife, and people think, yaar, ek hi baat hai, magar, you know, ek director ko jhelna, और वो भी आपके घर पे, और you know, we actually end up being 24 hours together. So when I'm making a movie, I'm quite crazy, you know. It's very difficult to handle a person like that. And then when you are the producer of the film, you have to deal with all his professional bullshit also, you know, other than his personal one. So it takes a very strong and a solid person to handle a person like me. And I wanted to take this opportunity to thank her.
So sweet. You know, on behalf of all Cine lovers and your fans, I would say thank you so much for saying yes to this movie, to this project. Okay, so how was it working with this team of Azad? Please tell us.
You know, this is a very, very special story. That's the first thing I want to say, is that I think this was the first time that I heard the narration from Abhishek, and I felt the feelings that I would have felt if I was watching the film. It was that powerful, and I knew instantly that it was a project I wanted to be a part of. I want to be part of telling this story to the world. To be able to be in a film helmed by Abhishek Kapoor and starring opposite Ajay Devgan was two things crossed off my bucket list, professional bucket list. So that had me right there. Also, to be able to play this character, it's probably one of the most layered, nuanced characters that I've ever played in a world that I wasn't that familiar with. You know, a very small town, traditional character, and in a period that, you know, we're all not obviously familiar with. So that also was very, very, you know, challenging and interesting, and it made me want to do it even more. But yeah, I think overall I'd say that this was a surreal experience and just the most soul-stirring, most satisfying experience of my film career.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing that. Ladies and gentlemen, the newcomers, जिनको already वो stars जितना प्यार मिल रहा है हर किसी से, people are looking forward to their performances on the big screen. Are we all set for this? Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Aman Devgan and Rasha Thadani. Aman, Rasha, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
It's so good to see you. Okay, here we are. We have all these eminent journalists here. Like, abhi kya bolenge yahan pe after this response from them? And of course, whatever the teams just shared with us. Aman, we'll start with you. How special is this moment for you?
I think when we first started shooting this film, I was very nervous. I think we both were, because we were just starting out.
We're still nervous.
And I am still nervous at this stage, but it's also accompanied with a lot of excitement, a lot of happiness. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि इतने सारे लोग यहाँ आए हैं, and I don't know, I think this moment will stay in my brain forever, till the end of time.
Right, one more thing. हर कोई जानना चाहता है. How was it working with this superstar here, Mr. Ajay Devgan?
I was so nervous. पहला दिन जब I shot with him, I was, shit, what am I going to do? Because I was not seeing the character, I was saying, shit, this is Mr. Ajay Devgan standing in front of me. But I think Gattu sir helped me a lot in that moment. He calmed me down. He said, apne kirdar ko pakdo. ये अजय देवगन नहीं है, nervous मत हो. And I think that helped a lot. With what Gattu sir said. Yeah.
एंड वो दिख रहा है उस बड़े पर्दे पे, वो कंफर्ट दिख रहा है कि हाँ मुझे पता है मैं कहाँ हूँ और क्या कर रहा हूँ, वो कमाल की केमिस्ट्री दिख रही है. गिव इट अप फॉर अमन लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, एक बार जोरदार तालियां. मूविंग ऑन टू the star, already a star. We're seeing these reels everywhere, we're seeing these videos and they're like, ये तो यार born star है. Rasha, what do you have to say standing here सब लोगों के सामने and इतना सारा प्यार you're getting?
This is like a crazy moment for me. I don't think I ever would have imagined this, me being here with all these beautiful people, because I'm so thankful, whether it's Ajay sir, Gattu sir, Pragya, Ronnie sir, I'm so thankful, and my co-actors, Amman, Diana, Mohit, I've learned so much from all of them. And I'm actually blanking out. I'm that nervous and excited, and I'm so full of emotion. But this is a dream moment for me. I'm so grateful.
All I want to say is you're slaying it, and how. Ladies and gentlemen, Rasha Thadani, ek baar zordar taliyan. We'd like to now invite on stage, as I said, this gentleman, of course, television pe inhone hum sab ke dil jeete hain. Uske baad digital domain maybe he's there, and how. Give it up for Mohit Malik, as this is, everybody talking about this film. ये सब लोग साथ आए हैं, अपनी powers को एक साथ लेके आए हैं और आजाद को बनाया है. What do you have to say?
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I want to take this opportunity to thank Gattu sir, Abhishek sir, for believing in me and making me a part of this film, having this profound trust in me that I can play Tej, and giving me that environment, such an homely environment, Pragya and Abhishek sir, so that I can deliver my best with honesty. And also making me a part of the film which has Ajay sir in it. And it's a big moment for me. I can't tell you, as Rasha said, it's again a way, मतलब वो शब्द नहीं है मेरे पास बयां करने के लिए इस वक्त मैं क्या महसूस कर रहा हूँ. लेकिन I would just want to thank him. I'm so grateful to God, grateful to him for making me a part of this film. And thank you Pragya, thank you Ronnie sir, and of course the wonderful cast. Diana, मुझे एक पल के लिए भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि Diana के साथ मैं काम कर रहा हूँ और मेरी पहली फिल्म है. So thank you Diana for making me so comfortable. And of course these two, बहुत मस्ती करी, बहुत मज़ा किया और अच्छा काम करने की कोशिश की है. I hope सबको अच्छा लगे.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.